Okay, so Aaron, it's really happening. I'm going to be able to have solar power come into my house, and I'm going to be able to make money selling it back because of Enbala.
Absolutely. I mean, Enbala is going to enable the decentralization of the grid. We've been talking about this now for the last couple of years, that the nation's electrical grid is changing. We're going from this centralized legacy model with wires and power plants to a much more decentralized digital type of network. It's going to be obviously a lot less carbon intense, and Enbala is going to enable that to happen. It's a big part of the grid transition that's going to be taking place.
Okay, so I buy Generac, I get the Enbala system, and my power company says, hey, no can do. We're not buying any of your power. What happens?
Well, so what Enbala does is you have your solar system already in place, or maybe you buy one of our generators, or maybe you have one of our storage systems, our power cell energy storage devices. And what Enbala does is it's a software platform. So it's really a software as a service. It's cloud-based. And what Enbala does is it enrolls those assets, they call them DERs, distributed energy resources, into their platform. And that platform then can aggregate those disparate assets into a virtual power plant configuration. And that virtual power plant can be then used by the local utility or the grid operator. And that's how you get compensated as an owner operator of the equipment, by allowing the power company, allowing the utility or the grid operator to tap that resource that otherwise, that generator would be sitting there really not being used too often. It's pretty infrequent use type asset. So this allows those assets to be used more frequently for the benefit of balancing out the grid for all kinds of different disruptions that can occur.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @JimCramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.